Former Meghalaya Chief Minister J. Rymbai passed away today. In a condolence message, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said, "I am pained to learn about the demise of the former Chief Minister of our state, J. Rymbai. Rymbai was a great statesman adored by the people he served. His contribution to the development of our state will always be remembered. May his soul rest in peace." J. Dringwell Rymbai was born on the 26th of October 1934. He was an impeccable politician of Meghalaya who represented the Shillong Assembly constituency in Meghalaya's Rymbai district. He was born in a poor family, and by dint of his hard work, he went on to become the Chief Minister of Meghalaya on the 15th of June 2006, when the then Chief Minister Dr. D.D. Lapang had to resign from the coveted post due to strong resentment in the Congress Legislature Party over his leadership. He completed his graduation from Shillong Synod College by attending the evening session and later obtained the B.Ed degree. After obtaining these degrees, he became the headmaster of a government school. Rymbai left behind his wife Peggyman Patau and 5 children.